Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So guys, we're a truck dealer on the very eastern side of the state of Iowa. We're located on Highway 67, just 2 miles off of Interstate 80 in Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So guys, if you subscribe to our channel, then you know that we have some of the nicest trucks anywhere. If you don't subscribe to your channel, hit that button right now, subscribe, and get notifications so you know when trucks like this come in. This beautiful truck here just came in, a super rare truck, really nice shape and very low miles. It is a 2018 Ram 3500. Yes, 3500, 1 ton, not 2500. It is a mega cab, short bed. This truck has just 75,000 miles, and as you can hear, has that big boy 6.7 Cummins. Let me give you a walk around, guys. Absolutely gorgeous, dark blue in color. It's got the chrome package. It's got the alloy wheels. Those are BFG Goodrich tires, probably about 50%. They got some miles left in them, definitely. Factory tubes. Again, it's a heavy duty 3500. That and a single rear wheel mega cab is really tough to come by. How clean this thing is. So this is a Laramie. So this thing is double decked out. It's got it all. Tow package, right? Again, also has the factory puck package with the fifth wheel ball. Already has wiring, real nice spray and bed liner. So this 6.7 is all stock. It has not been deleted. So if you wanted to do that, you could. There's an older gentleman that owned this truck. Let me show you the inside. This thing is, like I said, she decked out. It's a Laramie, so we got the leather bucket seats, huge center console, big display that has a backup camera. It's heated, it's cooled seats. There's your trailer brake controller. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive, push button start. There it is running away. 75,000 miles is all this has on it. No check engine lights. It's running absolutely perfect. I got all the books. I got 2 sets of keys. There's the back seat. Now, this is what makes a mega cab special. Huge back here, right? These seats not only will fold down and go completely flat, they also lean back so that you can get real comfortable back there. I got factory mats. I got rubber mats on top of those. Again, Carfax certified. This thing's just a 2-owner, no accidents, just an absolute gorgeous truck. It's recently serviced. It's got brand new brakes, front and back. Fresh oil, ready to go, guys. Ready to go. Beautiful truck, 75,000 miles. This is a rare truck. Overall in really nice shape. It's gonna have a few things, you know, a few rock chips here and there. No big dents, no huge scratches or anything like that. You know, just from people throwing stuff in the bed, you're gonna have these little stuff like this. Some rock chips on the tailgate there. But overall, guys, just a beautiful truck. Underside's nice and clean. No cab corner rust on either side. I'll give you a shot underneath there. Beautiful truck, guys. Only 75,000 miles on a Cummins 6.7. It's not even broken in yet. So guys, go to our website, tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. We've got a bunch of pictures on there. Give us a call, 563-424-2000. 563-424-2000. Again, hit the subscribe button here on our YouTube channel. Make sure you get those notifications because trucks like this at Teal Truck Center do not last. All right, guys. Till next time, have a good one.